Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video we will be taking a look at this Matchbox Mustang. So, welcome back to the channel guys. I know it's been quite a while since doing a video, but we're back at it with another one. Yeah, so on today's one we are taking a look at this Mustang, which as you can tell has seen better days, but this is actually one of my dad's old Matchbox cars, so why not give it a show on the channel. So as you can see, Matchbox series number 8, and one of the main features about this is you can actually turn the wheels from this little lever on the side. And I believe it did have a caravan. As you can see, there's a tow hook on the back. But yeah, it's definitely seen better days, but quite cool to see it like this. It's not battered too bad, just paintwork from however many years sat rattling about in our loft. So yeah, if anyone knows anything more about this, I'm not too clued up on the Matchbox stuff. If anyone knows any interesting facts about this certain casting from Matchbox, leave it in the comments below. And yeah, we'll stick it on the turntable so you can have a closer look of it going round. As ever guys, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. I'm going to try and do a lot more content. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys